Billions of tiny metal staples are consumed worldwide every single year, often ending up in landfills for centuries. This astonishing volume of discarded steel wire contributes significantly to our planet's ever-growing waste crisis. For generations, the humble stapler has been an indispensable tool for organizing documents in offices and homes alike. Its simple action of binding papers together with a small metal fastener became a global standard for efficiency and order. Yet, beneath this everyday convenience lies an often overlooked environmental footprint that accumulates over time. Each traditional staple, though small, requires raw material extraction, manufacturing, and eventually disposal that impacts ecosystems. Consider the energy expended to mine the iron ore, process it into steel, and then form those countless sharp little wires. This continuous demand places a silent but steady strain on natural resources and contributes to industrial pollution cycles. However, an ingenious alternative exists, fundamentally redesigning how we bind papers without any metal at all. Imagine a device that uses the paper itself to create a secure, temporary, or even permanent fastening system. These innovative staple-less staplers employ a clever mechanical punch and fold mechanism to interlock sheets. The device precisely cuts a small flap from each page, then folds and tucks these flaps into corresponding slots. This interlocking action creates a surprisingly strong bond, holding several sheets of paper firmly together without external materials. But the brilliance extends beyond just eliminating metal. It redefines the entire life cycle of document fastening. Different models of staple-less staplers offer various cutting patterns, from simple slits to intricate origami-like folds. Some designs create a small arrow shape that tucks into a slot, while others produce a tab that threads through multiple layers. These devices are often constructed from durable recycled plastics or sustainable bamboo, further reducing their overall environmental impact. The engineering challenge involves creating a mechanism that is both robust enough for daily use and precise enough for clean cuts. Yet, the true ingenuity lies in how these paper bonds can be undone and refastened with surprising ease. This reusability aspect means documents can be reorganized without creating new waste or damaging the paper with staple removers. Consider the implications for archival purposes or for documents that frequently need minor adjustments and reordering. Furthermore, these paper-bound documents can be shredded directly without needing to remove any metal components beforehand. But that's not the only hidden benefit. This method also revolutionizes how we manage paper waste processing. Historically, metal staples often caused issues in industrial shredders, dulling blades, and increasing maintenance costs. The shift to staple-less fastening eliminates these operational inefficiencies and associated environmental burdens. Imagine the cumulative effect if every office globally adopted this simple, yet powerful, sustainable practice. The initial investment in a staple-less stapler is often comparable to a high-quality traditional stapler, making the transition accessible. Plus, the ongoing cost savings from never needing to purchase staples again represent a significant long-term financial benefit. And then something unexpected happens. This seemingly small change actually creates a ripple effect across supply chains. The absence of staple manufacturing means less energy consumption, reduced carbon emissions, and fewer resources depleted. Wait until you consider the broader implications for paper waste and the circular economy models we strive to build. This technology isn't new. Variations have existed for decades, demonstrating its enduring practicality and effectiveness. Yet its widespread adoption has been surprisingly slow, perhaps due to ingrained habits and a lack of awareness. The true power lies in its simplicity, offering a straightforward path to significant environmental improvements without sacrificing utility. It's a testament to how minor adjustments in everyday tools can yield substantial ecological dividends over time. This innovation perfectly exemplifies the principles of sustainable design, focusing on longevity, reusability, and minimal waste. The tactile experience might feel different initially, but the security of the bond quickly instills confidence in users. Think of it like a miniature paper sculpture, where the structural integrity comes from the paper's own inherent strength. The immediate impact of staple-less staplers is the drastic reduction in metal waste entering landfills and incinerators. Millions of kilograms of steel, which take hundreds of years to decompose, can be diverted from waste streams annually. Furthermore, The energy saved from not mining, manufacturing, and transporting billions of tiny staples is considerable. This energy conservation directly translates into fewer greenhouse gas emissions, mitigating climate change effects. Think of the hidden costs associated with waste management, from collection to processing, all reduced by this simple change. Beyond waste reduction, the enhanced recyclability of paper documents becomes a game changer for recycling facilities. Contaminated paper bales, often rejected due to metal impurities, become pure and valuable feedstock for new paper products. This increases the efficiency of recycling plants and reduces the amount of virgin timber needed for paper production. Every piece of recycled paper saves trees, water, and energy, creating a more sustainable loop in the paper industry. The practice also promotes a more mindful approach to consumption, encouraging users to consider the life cycle of their tools. It instills an awareness that even the smallest office supply has an environmental story worth understanding and improving. Imagine an office where every document could be fully recycled without any manual intervention to remove fasteners. This streamlining not only saves time, but also reduces the labor costs associated with pre-sorting and preparing materials for recycling. The environmental ripple effect stewardship extends to employees and corporate customers alike sustainability goals, allowing organizations to easily demonstrate their commitment to green practices. Adopting staple-less systems provides a tangible, the environmental ripple effect stewardship extends to employees and corporate customers alike. This small shift contributes to building a stronger circular economy, where resources are kept in use for as long as possible. It minimizes waste, maximizes resource efficiency, and ultimately contributes to a healthier planet for future generations. The widespread adoption of such simple solutions demonstrates that sustainable living is not about grand sacrifices, but smart choices. It's about recognizing the cumulative impact of our daily habits and embracing innovations that offer better alternatives. The staple-less stapler stands as a powerful symbol of how small, conscious choices in everyday items can drive massive environmental change. By embracing these clever, greener alternatives, we collectively move towards a more sustainable and resource-efficient future. Subscribe for more greener living insights, and tell us in the comments which everyday item you wish had a sustainable redesign.